To avoid overstressing the mooring line, the brake of the mooring winch should always be the weakest component. It's a safety device in the overall configuration, which should render before the minimum braking load of the mooring line is reached. The design criteria for winches on all ships are according to ISO. The brake holding capacity should be 80% of the minimum braking load of the mooring line. The operational criteria for winches on most tankers are in accordance of OCIMF. The brake holding capacity is reduced to 60% of the minimum braking load of the mooring line. This is a safety item to prevent the line from parting. It should be common practice to continuously ensure that the winch brake is the weakest link of all the components by testing and adjusting the brake's rendering load. On the other hand, it's also obviously important to ensure that the winch brake provides sufficient holding power to keep the vessel close to the pier. Therefore, a winch brake test should be performed regularly and after completion of any maintenance to the winch. In general, mooring winches should of course be maintained in accordance with manufacturers' recommendations and be part of a regular inspection scheme, with the outcome of the inspections tracked in a log that is readily available. As for all machinery and equipment on board, this is assumed to be carried out as part of the owner's obligation towards class. This will also become a requirement from IMO as part of the MSC.1/Circ.1620 guidelines for inspection and maintenance of mooring equipment, including lines, which will enter into force on the 1st of January 2024.